Statistics show that software companies in Eastern and Southern Europe earn 2 to 5 times less than similar companies in Western Europe. This is not only unfair, I believe it's time we change it. There are few key things you need to know and implement to raise your price, sell more, and focus on working with customers you truly enjoy. It is not a rocket science, and I am here to teach you everything you need in just 3 weeks. My name is Roland Sozolinch, and I'm the lead instructor and creator of How to Sell IT Services, Masterclass and Challenge. With over 20 years in IT and marketing, including a decade at Microsoft, I have helped numerous companies grow their business. I have personally interviewed hundreds of buyers, and also I have built a successful service business myself. In this masterclass, I'll share everything you need to know, starting from strategic decisions like choosing your specialization and ideal customer profile to insider tips and tricks that only marketing professionals know. Over these 3 weeks, you'll gain condensed, actionable knowledge to scale your service business. And to ensure it's practical, we have included a hands-on challenge designing a growth plan tailored to your own business. And to make it even easier, you will receive a ready-made, easy-to-use tools and templates to help in your planning. Now, let's dive into the details of the program. So, in class 1, we will start by discussing how purchase process works, what is the trade-off between risk and price, what are sources of value which would allow you to increase your price. We will also look at scientific discussion of trust, because trust is critically necessary to actually be able to sell any of your services. Then we will look at your strategic choices, and we will start by discussing specialization, and I will share a tool which allows you to choose between different variations of specialization. Then we will look at how to prepare ICP list and how to select a market. Between classes, there are separate Q&A sessions in which I will demonstrate some tools. I will answer your questions. You will be able to learn from your peers. And these Q&A sessions are designed to help you process the knowledge, ask questions, and help you to progress with your own plan. Then in the second class, we will start by going further with your strategic choices, and we will start from discussing buyer's persona. This is incredibly useful techniques which helps you with focusing not only on companies or organizations, but also on specific buyers. Then we will discuss what is the difference of selling to technical and business buyers and what you need to do differently. Then we will finish discussion about your strategic choices with developing unique value proposition. So I will share again a template here, and I will explain you a process how to prepare unique value proposition involving your team and how to adjust this unique value proposition to your ICPs and also your buyers' personas. In this class, we will discuss a very important topic, and that is how to sell services as products. Why we are discussing that? Quite simply, because it's just so much easier to buy a product than it is to buy a service. And if we start selling services as products, it will respectively become for us easier to sell them. Then we will discuss another important topic. Is how to develop your first step offer. And first step offer is something that opens the doors, help you get into customer conversation, build trust, and ultimately pull in a really large service business. We will finish second class with a topic about funnels, how to create funnels, and I will share 5 to 7 proven funnel examples. Again, in between classes, we will have Q&A, and after the second class, I will also share with you insights from a real-world marketing campaign, which we did a few years back, specifically for custom software development company. So it will help you understand how demand generation works, what to look for, and what are critical success factors. Finally, in the class number 3, this is all about practical things. So we will work on developing reach out and demonstration plan. We will discuss how to create and reuse content, how to write case studies with help of artificial intelligence, how to run a webinar. A webinar, I believe, is the easiest, most practical, most impactful way for you to generate generate leads and grow your business. Then we will talk about how to identify and how to engage communities, how to use social networks with help of AI, and we will finish off the class with discussing business model and how to create viable business model and consider the costs of expansion, marketing, and sales. As usually, after class there will be Q&A session, and this time at the end of training there will be a week in between, and then there will be a special wrap-up session which is designed to help you really consolidate your knowledge. It will give me possibility to give feedback about your plans and make sure that you walk away from this class with a solid understanding, solid plans, and you are ready to execute. So do not hesitate and sign up right now. If you further explore our website, you will also be able to find uh, feedback from participants of our other trainings. Right, there's quite a bit of them. So that will help you make decision and understand whether our training is of sufficient quality and whether you will be satisfied. Moreover, registration doesn't require you to pay right now. Registration is rather a start of conversation. The training costs €900, and to make sure that you are completely satisfied, we are happy to return your money within first 14 days after the start of first class if for any reasons you are not satisfied. And return means return without any questions asked whatsoever. So I invite you to go up on page and register right now. At the moment of registration, payment is not required. And welcome to the masterclass. And I hope to enjoy your company either in the class starting in November or in January. See you online.